came to the car. Basically, key card not working. I need to call to the customer and ask him to open the door.
Hiya.
Hi, sorry for disturbing. Would you mind open your door, please? Because the key not working.
Is it not working? Because because I've disconnected the phone. Wait, whilst you're on the phone, I'll see if I can just disconnect it.
Yeah, please.
Is it still not open yet?
Not yet. No, hold on. I'll check the card again. It's not working yet.
It's not working yet. Well, okay. I'm literally. Well, luckily I didn't walk away, so I'll come now and see if we can open it.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not working.
Nice one. Thank you. This is latest technology. However, key not work. Even he can't operate from the phone. Anyway, he's on the way. Right, that's better then.
Subscribe for more.